Meaning of Henry VIII.
Henry VIII.
Henry VIII.
Henry VIII.
Henry VIII. Henry VIII refers to King Henry VIII, the infamous monarch who ruled England from 1509 to 1547. He is most well known for his 6 marriages and his role in the English Reformation, during which he broke away from the Roman Catholic Church and created the Church of England. Henry VIII is also known for his extravagant lifestyle, which led to financial difficulties for England. His reign had a significant impact on English history and the monarchy's power, as well as the country's religious landscape.